Hello and welcome to this week's show on the Green Wisdom Health Show. I'm Janet Lewis.
And I'm Dr. Lewis.
And we are going to entertain you today about cleaning your way to illness. Doesn't that sound like fun? Trying to keep our shows upbeat and lively, and you guys have really helped us stay upbeat and lively. And we've gotten several questions, including one from Kelly, which caused us to go ahead and write a show about cleaning products because so many people are cleaning now. We have never seen so much cleaning in all of our lives. I think this is a new era in time where, washing hands was great, and now we've gone to bleaching everything and wiping it all down. So Dr. Lewis is going to educate us a little bit today about what the possible side effects are to your immune system, amongst other things, and some natural alternatives that you can use for cleaning. And he's also going to tell you about a sleeper product that we have some great research on that is helping with respiratory distress, which is what this COVID-19 likes to attack. So, Dr. Lewis, can you excite us into cleaning differently or tell us what's going on with what we're doing now so maybe we can do something different?
She always builds me up and says, well, he's going to say something exciting. It's like, oh, good Lord, I feel pressure now. So I don't know. So, Kelly, thanks for your input, and we love you just because you help keep us up. And thank you for buying that product for your husband. I'll bet you he's going to get better quick. So thank you for caring because you make a big difference in other people's lives. So this is dedicated to you. To Kelly, never underestimate your worth. Without your presence, someone's life would not.